How to fix install error 0x1900201 in Windows 11 24s2. Hello friends, the error code 0x1900201 occurs if there is insufficient space in the EFI partition. To free up the space in the EFI partition, you can delete fonts and move BIOS to a new folder in another drive. Follow the steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Delete fonts from EFI partition. Open command prompt. Click on search. Type CMD. Right click on the command prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Start with deleting fonts from EFI partition. Run these commands to delete fonts from EFI partition. Copy the first line. Paste into the command prompt. Press Enter. Copy the second line. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Copy the third line. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Next line. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Copy the last line. Paste into the command prompt and hit Enter. These much bytes are free. To free up more space in the EFI partition, move the BIOS image to another drive. Depending on the manufacturer of your computer, run these commands. For HP, run these commands separately. For Lenovo, run these commands. And for Dell, run these commands. For Asus, use these commands. Then try to upgrade the system to Windows 11 24h2. Using setup file, you can install the new version. If you are upgrading from Windows Update, then no error will be found. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.